How to make a spinning ring around head in a light motion. Do you want to make something like this? Here is my head layer, but it can be anything else too. It is the object the ring will move around. Add a rectangle. This will be the bounding box which will allow the ring to appear properly. Scale the bounding box up for move and transform. Go to blending and opacity and select the mask from mask category. This will help the ring pattern stay only within the bounding box if the layer is under the bounding box. Now you can add a shape or pattern. I'll show you both the ways to make a standard ring and a ring made up of shapes. If you are going to make a standard ring, add a rectangle or a flat image pattern and bring it under the bounding box layer. Then select the bounding box and the ring pattern by long pressing on the layer thumb and then group them. Now I'll be showing you how to make a ring out of a single shape. If you just want to make a standard ring, then you can skip to the next chapter. Head inside the group by pressing on the group, then on Edit Group. Now I'll show you how to use a shape pattern. I'll use this 4-pointed star shape. You can use any shapes or images, maybe like diamonds or flowers. Adjust the shape and bring it to the left end of the bounding box. Then add the linear repeat effect and set the count to whatever you like. Afterwards, make sure the position is within the bounding box. Also, I only have this rectangle to give a better preview. You can hide it or delete it, or use it to make a standard ring. Now we'll make a ring spinning animation. Go back and take the group, add the spherize effect from the 3D category. First, set the shading to flat to get rid of the light. From texture mapping, decrease the stretch to fix the stretchy texture back to normal. Use the orientation alpha to add a bit of perspective. I recommend -10 for normal gacha heads. Go to Move and Transform and use Location to position the ring where you want it to be and make other required adjustments. Go back to the Spherize Effect settings and select Rotation Y. Then add a keyframe. Go to the end of the layer and increase the rotation Y. This will create the ring spinning animation for the front part of the ring. If you find this error of the shapes not lining up, just adjust the crop or stretch. If the crop is not fixing it, try adjusting the stretch instead. Fixed! Now I'm making the start and the end look the same because that'll create a looping animation. A looping is an animation that is never ending or loops. Duplicate the ring group and bring it to the back. Adjust the orientation alpha and make it look like a ring. You can use 10 for this setting. The spin is weird, so go back to the rotation Y of the spheroids effect. Bring the start keyframe to the end and the end keyframe to the start. Then hit play and it will do a beautiful spin. Now I'll show you cool stuff. Angled rings. You can place an angle manually or you can use parenting if you have the premium version. Changing ring perspectives can be made by animating the orientations or rotations. Individual movements. If you're using shapes, then you can have all the repeated shapes move around. That is by going to the linear repeat effect and animating the angle from ring transform. If you want the animation order to be random, enable random order. And you can animate the seed too, which extra randomizes the order of the animation. Gap in the ring. This gap can be made by increasing the crop of the spheroids effect. Replacing the shape. To replace the shapes, make a new shape. Copy the linear repeat effect and paste it onto the new shape. Make sure to copy and paste this new shape layer in the back group of the ring too. Stylization. You can stylize it however you want. One of the things I like doing is, as the ring parts are in a group, we can go to the color and fill and change the color of the rings or add a gradient, which I think adds a fun look.